Hello, welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to focus and concentrate more. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. If there's one thing we could all probably use a lot more of, it's the ability to focus. But telling yourself to stay focused on a task, especially a mundane one, is often a lot easier said than done. Staying on task can be difficult, but it can be particularly challenging when you are surrounded by constant distraction. In today's always connected world, diversions are nothing more than a click away. Even during quiet moments, distraction is literally at your fingertips as you find yourself checking your Instagram notifications or the latest news updates. The ability to concentrate on something in your environment and direct mental effort toward it is critical for learning new things, achieving goals, and performing well across a wide variety of situations. Whether you are trying to finish a report at work or competing in a marathon, your ability to focus can mean the difference between success and failure. Fortunately, the focus is a lot like a mental muscle. The more you work on building it up, the stronger it gets. Improving your mental focus is achievable, but that doesn't mean that it's always quick and easy. If it was simple, then we would all have the razor-sharp concentration of an elite athlete. It will take some real effort on your part, and you may have to make some changes to some of your daily habits. Factors that affect concentration. Both attention span and concentration can vary for many reasons. Some people just have a harder time tuning out distractions. Age and lack of sleep can affect concentration. Most people forget things more readily as they age, and decreased concentration can accompany memory loss. Head or brain injuries, such as concussions, as well as certain mental health conditions, can also affect concentration. It's easy to become frustrated when you're trying to concentrate but just can't. This can lead to stress and irritation, which tends to make focusing on what you need to do even more of a distant dream. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The good news? Several techniques can help you zone in on the task in front of you. Start by taking several deep breaths while focusing on each breath. When you feel your mind naturally begin to wander, gently and uncritically guide your focus back to your deep breathing. If you need help staying focused, try one, or all 7, of these tips. 1. Get rid of distractions. First things first, you need to eliminate distractions. While you can't do away with everything, you can make an effort to reduce or get rid of as many distractions as possible. Start with the simple things like moving to a quiet area, turning off notifications on your phone, or turning your phone off altogether, closing the door to your office, telling those around you not to distract you for a while, closing out of programs or apps that aren't essential on your computer. 2. Improve sleep. Sleep deprivation can easily disrupt concentration, not to mention other cognitive functions, such as memory and attention. Occasional sleep deprivation may not cause too many problems for you. But regularly failing to get a good night's sleep can affect your mood and performance at work. Being too tired can even slow down your reflexes, and affect your ability to drive or do other daily tasks. A demanding schedule, health issues, and other factors sometimes make it difficult to get enough sleep. But it's important to try, and get as close to the recommended amount as possible on most nights. Many experts recommend adults aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Improving the sleep you do get can also have benefits. A few quick tips. Turn off the TV and put away screens an hour before bed. Keep your room at a comfortable but cool temperature. Wind down before bed with soft music, a warm bath, or a book. Go to bed and get up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Exercise regularly, but try to avoid a heavy workout just before bed. Three. Make time for exercise. Although aerobic exercise is recommended, doing what you can is better than doing nothing at all. Depending on your fitness and weight goals, you may want to exercise more or less. But sometimes it just isn't possible to get the recommended amount of exercise, especially if you live with physical or mental health challenges. If you struggle to find time to exercise or don't want to join a gym, try to think of fun ways to work it in throughout the day. If you get your heart rate up, you're exercising. Ask yourself, Can you walk your kids to school? Can you get up 20 minutes earlier every morning to fit in a quick jog around your neighborhood? Can you split up your weekly grocery trip into 2 or 3 trips by foot or bike? Can you walk to the coffee shop instead of drive? If you can, try getting exercise right before you need to focus, or when taking a mental break. 4. Train your brain. Playing certain types of games can help you get better at concentrating. Try these games: Sudoku, crossword puzzles, chess, jigsaw puzzles, word searches or scrambles, memory games. Brain training games can also help you develop your working and short-term memory, as well as your processing and problem-solving skills. 5. Coffee in small doses. Drinking coffee, or other caffeinated beverages, in small doses may have a positive impact on your ability to focus. The key to taking advantage of caffeine's cognitive enhancing properties is to consume it in moderation. If you drink too much of it, you may end up feeling anxious or nervous, which generally reduces your ability to stay focused. 6. Practice the Pomodoro technique. Staying focused helps you get more done in less time. While that sounds simple enough, it's not always easy to put into practice. So, the next time you're wrestling with your attention span, try the Pomodoro technique. This timing method helps you train your brain to stay on task for short periods. Here's how it works. Set your timer for 25 minutes and get to work. When the buzzer sounds, take a 5-minute break. Then, set the timer again and get back to work. Once you've done 4 rounds of this, you can take a longer break, approximately 20 to 30 minutes. 7. Be more mindful. Does your mind tend to wander away from where it's supposed to be? Don't worry, you're not alone. Distracted thinking is common, and something we all experience. However, these short mental vacations often make it harder to focus on the task in front of you. That's where mindfulness comes in. Being mindful means you can maintain moment-to-moment awareness of where you are, and what you're doing, which is great news when you're trying to stay focused. By being mindful and recognizing when your attention starts to drift, you can quickly bring your focus back to where it needs to be. Plus, you can train your brain to be more mindful by practicing breathing techniques, meditation, and mindful movement, such as yoga. It is not difficult to train your brain to become better at concentrating and focusing, but you do need to exercise deliberate practice. You need to develop the intention to focus and be very strict with yourself. With practice and a little time, you will soon find yourself being able to resist temptations and focus better. It's important to have a few simple tips and tricks, like the ones we described in this video, at your fingertips. Knowing how to zone in on what needs to get done can help you stay on track with your most important tasks each day. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.